Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 on your screen.
A,
Birds are flying over a lake.
B,
The bird is sitting in a tree.
C,
Ducks are swimming in a lake.
D.
The bird is eating on the ground. Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 on your screen.
A,
The garden is full of red flowers.
B,
Flowers are being watered in the garden.
C,
Flowers are being picked in the garden.
D.
2 girls are standing near the garden. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 on your screen.
A,
The river is flowing through a forest.
B,
The river is frozen in a forest.
C,
The river is running under a bridge.
D.
The river is surrounded by mountains. Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 on your screen.
A,
The man is fishing by a river.
B,
The man is walking along a river.
C,
The man is swimming in a river.
D.
The man is sitting beside a river. Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 on your screen.
A,
The sun is setting over the ocean.
B,
The sun is rising over the ocean.
C,
The sun is shining at midday over the ocean.
D.
The sun is hidden behind clouds over the ocean. Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 on your screen.
A,
The squirrel is climbing a tree.
B,
The squirrel is eating a nut.
C,
The squirrel is running on the ground.
D.
The squirrel is jumping from one tree to another. Number 7. Look at the picture marked number 7 on your screen.
A,
The waterfall is flowing into a pond.
B,
The waterfall is frozen.
C,
The waterfall is surrounded by rocks.
D.
The waterfall is creating a rainbow. Number 8. Look at the picture marked number 8 on your screen.
A,
The woman is hiking in the mountains.
B,
The woman is taking a photo in the mountains.
C,
The woman is camping in the mountains.
D.
The woman is drawing a landscape. Number 9. Look at the picture marked number 9 on your screen.
A,
The child is playing in the leaves.
B,
The child is picking flowers in a field.
C,
The child is climbing a tree.
D.
The child is running through a field. Number 10. Look at the picture marked number 10 on your screen.
A,
The moon is full and bright in the night sky.
B,
The moon is crescent in the night sky.
C,
The moon is partially hidden by clouds.
D.
The moon is not visible in the night sky. Number 11. Look at the picture marked number 11 on your screen.
A,
2 people are kayaking in a lake.
B,
2 people are sitting by a lake.
C,
2 people are fishing by the lake.
D.
2 people are swimming in a lake. Number 12. Look at the picture marked number 12 on your screen.
A,
Leaves are falling from the trees in autumn.
B,
Leaves are changing color in autumn.
C,
Leaves are being raked on the ground in autumn.
D.
Leaves are green and plentiful in summer. Number 13. Look at the picture marked number 13 on your screen.
A,
The group of people are watching the sunset.
B,
The group of people are having a picnic.
C,
The group of people are hiking on a trail.
D,
The group of people are birdwatching in a park. Number 14. Look at the picture marked number 14 on your screen.
A,
The group of mushrooms are growing in the forest.
B,
The group of mushrooms are being picked in the forest.
C,
The group of mushrooms are decaying on the forest floor.
D,
The group of mushrooms are covered by fallen leaves. Number 15. Look at the picture marked number 15 on your screen.
A,
The stars are shining brightly in the night sky.
B,
The stars are obscured by clouds in the night sky.
C,
The stars are forming a constellation in the night sky.
D,
The stars are not visible in the night sky. Number 16. Look at the picture marked number 16 on your screen.
A,
The photographer is taking pictures of wildlife.
B,
The photographer is setting up a tripod in the forest.
C,
The photographer is capturing a waterfall.
D,
The photographer is photographing flowers. Number 17. Look at the picture marked number 17 on your screen.
A,
The fox is hunting in the snow.
B,
The fox is sleeping in its den.
C,
The fox is playing with its cubs.
D,
The fox is walking through the forest. Number 18. Look at the picture marked number 18 on your screen.
A,
The rainbow is appearing after the rain.
B,
The rainbow is very faint in the sky.
C,
The rainbow is arching over a waterfall.
D,
The rainbow is forming a complete circle. Number 19. Look at the picture marked number 19 on your screen.
A,
The deer is grazing in the meadow.
B,
The deer is drinking from a stream.
C,
The deer is lying down in the forest.
D,
The deer is running through the woods. Number 20. Look at the picture marked number 20 on your screen.
A,
The seagull is flying over the sea.
B,
The seagull is standing on a rock.
C,
The seagull is diving into the water.
D,
The seagull is eating fish on the shore. Number 21. Look at the picture marked number 21 on your screen.
A,
The mountain is covered with snow.
B,
The mountain is reflecting in a lake.
C,
The mountain is surrounded by fog.
D,
The mountain is bare with no vegetation. Number 22. Look at the picture marked number 22 on your screen.
A,
The cloud is shaped like an animal.
B,
The cloud is covering the sun.
C,
The cloud is floating high in the sky.
D,
The cloud is bringing in rain. Number 23. Look at the picture marked number 23 on your screen.
A,
The peacock is displaying its colorful feathers.
B,
The peacock is walking in the garden.
C,
The peacock is eating on the ground.
D,
The peacock is resting with its feathers closed. Number 24. Look at the picture marked number 24 on your screen.
A,
The farmer is working in the fields.
B,
The farmer is riding a tractor in the fields.
C,
The farmer is harvesting crops.
D,
The farmer is planting seeds in the field. Number 25. Look at the picture marked number 25 on your screen.
A,
The field is full of yellow flowers.
B,
The field is being plowed by a farmer.
C,
The field is covered in fresh snow.
D.
The field is green with new grass.
You're finished. Great job. Be sure to check the answers tab at the bottom of the exam sheet to see how you did.
And if you got any wrong, we recommend you go through the video one more time for a better understanding.
Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next lesson.